Oni of Ife don finally come outside, my people. Come talk say Nigerian government must take responsibility for recession seeking economic in Nigeria before they go even talk about say Tinubu go become president for 2023. Hi guys, welcome back to Mama SOJ vlog. How you guys doing? My name is Mama SOJ. If you are new here, you are welcome. And if you are a returning subscriber, God bless you as you always come back to watch my video. And if you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Subscribe so that you will not miss any of my updates about the celebrities. So guys, let's get into the video. Those of una when I don't know Oni of Ife. Oni of Ife na one of the Yoruba king for Yoruba land. My people, Oni of Ife don't come outside. He don't come talk say Nigerian economic, if the government no fit take care of and make things change, they no need to come talk about election for 2023. Yes, he don't finally come speak out because people want to make it pull masses all these days, but now he don't come outside come talk. Say a lot of people they will be say that they hungry they Nigeria will be say things no dey okay. Children no go fit go school, no money. Some will be say they eat money, they no go fit eat afternoon. Why some no even see money food eat at all? Before they come and say they won't talk about 2023 election, at least make Nigeria government take responsibility of that economic. Where they for Nigeria? Say because person where they for Nigeria, will be say he get money today, miss, you know me say you go see money used tomorrow. Because a lot of people they will be say no good health care, no good school, nothing there. And the way Oni of Ife come outside now, he can't show say at least he no be all those other king when be say they no come outside, can't speak. When be say they just dey inside and they welcome Tinubu for their palace. When be say how Tinubu they'll take collect money for Tinubu and when how they'll take collect money for Tinubu and when be say they'll take gather people for 2023 wey be say make their community people go vote for Tinubu. Now that one the rest king they talk. At least the way Oni of Ife come outside can't talk. Me Alaafin Oyo still come outside can't talk the same thing. Me Oluwo of Iwo make it still come outside can't talk the same thing. Things must change. At least the Tinubu go get up, he go make at least he go do little change, go come outside from all this Nigeria government. But if all the king just silent, when we say they will only carry money go give them when election time come, they'll collect the money, they will shocking out for pocket. Now Oni of Ife they talk so before another election they come, at least may they take responsibility of that economic, make change there, little bit changes. They need little changes for that Nigeria. Children no get good education, and again the person wey graduate no get job. Children again no good health care, no good security, no good road. Wetin come good for that Nigeria? No light, nothing. At least Oni of Ife don't come as I can't speak. He don't come as I can't talk little about him. May the rest king also may they still come as I can't talk little about him. No be say they go only they fight say may the 2023 election of Tinubu. This will not be a matter of election. This one we want change for Nigeria. Anybody will go fit on do at least bring little changes come down Nigeria. Now we go vote for a lot of people. When we say they did that Nigeria, some people no wish to put their hand for waiting no good just because of the bad economic way they for that Nigeria. Some people say before they feed their children, when we say they go feed their wife, they will come go thief again before they will go feed their wife. And some again, if they get motorway that they drive for road, when we say now they give them small money, when we say that they feed their family. Before you know, all these Agbero people for Lagos go see block them again, say they won't collect their own share. If Agbero collect, Olopa people go see collect. Waiting, the person will come carry go as go meet your family because he go buy food inside that bus where they walk. And all these things need to stop for that Nigeria. Nigerian people need to give, Nigerian government need to provide job for people where be say they won't work. A lot of people won't work, but they don't get job. Some go see little job like this. They not go still pay them. Nigerian government go they owe salary, go they owe people salary. They owe them like 5-6 months, they no go pay. Imagine person where you owe 5-6 months. How the person want to get money, go take transport, come work. And the same time to take feed the family. How person go take go work when we say he no go receive salary? It no make sense like that. These Nigerian people now, then they cause bad way they happen for Nigeria, because some people, if they don't work, do better job, when we say they don't pay them, they'll come go put on for bad thing. Yes, they'll come go put on for bad thing. Now make you see a lot of crime for Nigeria. When we say Nigerian youths, that they put their hand for waiting no good. Sometimes no be their fault. Now because of the bad government where we get. Nobody go see say in country good. When we say go talk say okay oh, he won't run come up for your own country, go another country. Go they try to struggle for there. If Nigeria good, definitely nobody go run come up for that Nigeria saying they go another country, go stay. But because of this our bad government, what did they know? Now their own pocket and their children, their family, themselves. They don't care about the citizen. So as Ooni of Ife don't come as I can't talk about this matter, I just hope may Ooni of Ife make e no go change mouth. Make Tinubu, because Tinubu never go visit Ooni of Ife now. Tinubu never go Ooni of Ife palace. Now only Alaafin Oyo palace now Tinubu don't go. Because since Alaafin Oyo never come talk about this matter, say how things go take dey okay. I go take talk to Nigerian government when we say little change go come out. You no do like that. You no do that one. Only waiting they do how Tinubu go take be president for 2023. And Tinubu never go meet Ooni of Ife. Make Tinubu no go meet Ooni of Ife tomorrow. Me Ooni of Ife come they talk another thing. Now Ooni of Ife, you don't talk well. You don't talk well for now. And I really appreciate, I like the fact that you can come out and speak and talk about this. So the Red King also should get up and talk about this. At least make change. May our Nigerian government, make little change. May it still there. May it still there for our people. So my people, now this one I me get to talk for this matter. Let me know what you think for the comment section. And if you never subscribe, subscribe. So that I not go miss any celebrity gist way I upload. On a bye till I come on our way next time. Bye guys. See you guys in my next video. Bye guys.